I'm back, and with a brand new hairstyle. Do you like it? If you don't, I'm still gonna keep it, so sorry. But I thought I'd ask to be polite. I like it. I don't have to dye my hair as much. Yeah. Still good? No. Okay. Okay. Okay, enough of that. Enough of that. Today, we are going to be making some awesome Halloween treats. Well, just one treat, but there's going to be more than one if you make more than one of the recipe. We're going to be making Barf Bark. It's something I think I made up, but it's probably been around because there's nothing original in today's world. So, you know those fake pieces of vomit you get at like the gag store or whatever? It's going to be like that, but edible. Oh, I've made some in the past and it's really grossed people out. So hopefully you will enjoy the Barf Bark, and I'm going to let you know what you need for this recipe. Okay, these are the things you will need. Candy melts. You can get them anywhere. They're made by Wilton. Personally, I would rather real white chocolate, but I'm trying to make this as user-friendly as possible so that anybody can make it at home. So back to the candy melts. You need some candy melts. I have white and confetti. The confetti ones won't really matter because there'll be a little bit of color in them and it'll just add a little texture to the Barf Bark. We've got some walnuts that have been like broken up into various sizes. You don't want them all the same size. Barf's never symmetrical, so you kind of want different size walnuts or whatever nuts you prefer. I got some toothpicks and some lovely Chef Rubber colorant. Chef Rubber's the bomb. Or to Chef Rubber, I say it every time, go find chefrubber.com. They have everything you could ever need in the whole world for confections, cooking, whatever. They are amazing. I love you, Chef Rubber, so much, so much. We also have some edible powdered pigment here. This is just like edible tints, I guess is what it's called, by Sugar Flare. Just various colors that I thought might be in puke, you know, fun stuff. And then we have some piping gel. Piping gel is for like making a liquid effect on cakes and other confections. I just thought maybe if you wanted to make your vomit look fresh and wet, that might make it do so, and gross. And then the last thing is going to be a silicone mat. If you don't have a mat, it's cool. Just, I don't know, use some frickin' saran wrap or foil would work. Yeah, anything would really work, but silicone's the best because it just peels right off and it's amazeballs. So, without further ado, I am going to put the candy melts in the microwave. Probably also have a spatula, because you're going to need it to get the candy melts out of the bowl. So I'm currently putting the candy melts in the microwave for 30-second intervals. And here goes the first 30 seconds. My microwave has told me that 30 seconds has passed, and I'm going to, ouch, that's, don't use a dollar store bowl. Ow! First of all, that's probably ill-advised. It's burning my hand. I can take a lot of heat. I can take the heat. So we're going to melt it up. See, it's starting to melt. We're going to do another 30 seconds, but next time we're going to grab a pot holder. That'd be smart. Yeah, I didn't just burn myself. I had a pot holder, but I grabbed it with this hand. Still a blonde. All right, we're going to mix these up. Blah, 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 blah. And I don't know, maybe, you saw how many I had. Maybe like a cup of candy melts-ish. And it's starting to melt, as the name so implies. And the best thing about candy melts, even though they kind of taste like poop, there's no tempering required, and they'll always firm back up because of all of the crap that's in them. And I'm going to stick to the bowl. Alright, we're going to stick this back in there. Another 30 seconds should do it, and then we'll be back. Okay, it's almost done. Got the glove on the right hand this time. Alright. Taking it out with the right hand. Putting it back on this hand so that we can stir with our dominant hand. All right, yeah, this is lovely. Can you hear it? It is nice and melty. I think at this stage I'm going to add a smidgen of color. So let's find a way to turn you around. Nope, that's not gonna work. Nope, that's the... There's me. Okay. Hot. Since Chef Rubber is so amazing and wonderful, it is wicked concentrated color. This is specifically their confectionery candy color. We're going to take a toothpick and we're literally just going to, that much. And we're going to put it in there. And then we're going to take another toothpick and the same sound effect. And we're going to stick it. Well, there's a little bit more. The yellow is thicker. We're going to stick it in the chocolate. All right. All right. I gotta put the glove back on. Okay. We're going to give it a stir. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Wow, these candy colored bits in the confetti are really prominent. I thought maybe the color would take over them a bit, but you can still see the confetti. You know what? It's cool. It's totally cool. This is taking on more of like a yellowy beige color. We're going to add just a toothpick more of the red because we're kind of going for, I don't know, kind of a peach skin tone, but vomitous color, which, I don't know, everybody's vomit is different. I don't want to double dip. We're going to turn this around. There, okay. Gonna mix again, be right back. We've got this kind of sort of off-white color. We are now going to, I think I'm gonna smush these up just slightly. Whoa, damn it. All right, we're gonna pick these up. My counter is clean, as far as I know. And we're gonna mix in these walnuts. We just want some texture in the Barf Bark, because that's what it's all about. Pistachios would be good too. Those are green. All right, I'm now going to pour it out onto the silicone mat. I'll be right back. Okay, poured it out on. Now we kind of want to like not make it too thin. Sorry, out of camera range. But we want to kind of push it around like a pile. Maybe make some like splatter effects as such, because I doubt a pile of puke would be so cleanly happened. Alright, so we are going to make sure it's kind of even. Sorry, I keep moving this around because it's really hard to look at what I'm doing and hold the camera as well so you can see what I'm doing. I desperately need a camera, people. Alright. That looks good to me. We're going to give it some kind of pat so it's got a little more texture. And I'm going to stop because it's like a painting. If you keep going, it'll just get crazier. All right, this has to sit until it cools. You can put it in the fridge. Sugar. Even crappy sugar like candy melts is still hygroscopic and will attract all of the moisture and could make them wet, sticky, tacky, or something you just don't want. So I'd recommend just letting it sit at room temp. If you have like an ice pack or something or a marble slab, set it on that. That'll help it cool quicker. And we will return when the puke is hardened. Okay, we're back. We're back. Well, okay, so I stuck it in the freezer and it wasn't flat, and I was like, I'll just put it in there for a minute, and I was smoking a bowl, and then someone texted me about work, and I was like, and I forgot. So it has now. It's kind of like, it'll flatten back out if I let it get warm, but I don't really care. I just wanted to show you how to decorate it. So I'm going to do my best here to figure out how exactly to get the camera like above what I'm doing without having to hold it. I'll be back. Okay, I'm extremely excited with how this turned out. This might even be better than my original Barf Bark. And I was really worried it wasn't going to be as good. But adding that piping gel, world of difference. So You can walk by.
Oh, no, I didn't see Mountain downstairs.
Anyways, this looks way better than anything I ever imagined. Ever imagined it could. Looks better than my original Barf Bark. It's nuts. That piping gel just made it go. Ugh. I'm gonna show you, and then if the light's not good enough, I'm gonna take it outside and show you, because I hate when cameras don't show how good something actually looks. Not to toot my own horn. Check that out. Looks like a pile of dog puke, and that makes me proud. Yeah. There's like something in there. Pretty funky. Maybe it's some chili or some raw meat. There's a little blood. Yeah, man. Barf Bark. So, I gotta put it back down. Yeah. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the Barf Bark. I will do my... Hello, I'm making a video. I'll do my damnedest to get all that painting and nonsense talking out of the video for you. Really sorry about that, but you know. Anyways, hopefully you won't see it. I'll be making more Halloween gross stuff if I can, when I can. Maybe on... I don't work Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, so maybe those days. But I hope you all enjoyed the new video. I missed you guys. And as always, no pressure to like and subscribe. If you want to, you want to. If you don't, you don't. Glad that you're here watching. And comments or questions, leave in the comments area, and I'll do my best to get right back to you. Awesome. Hope you're having a kick-ass day.